This Rivet feature has been requested many times, and here we are with the ability to customize your default views in Rivet. You're welcome. Now this capability takes place in most views, many of them. Almost all of them. Too many to list. Okay, I'll list a few. Your roster board, your jobs schedule view, your jobs table view. Click around in the application, and in the top left corner, you may see this Views box. Click on that, and the dropdown may contain some Rivet presets. These are some data sets that our customers have told us they're always looking for, and they want to be able to find these conveniently. There you go. But if you have your own view set up, doing your own thing, you're going to want to set the parameters of that view, whatever kind of search, tags, certificates, anything that you've set up. Then you're going to come to this dropdown, and you're going to click Save as New View. You're going to give it a name. You're going to click Save. Next time you access that dropdown, you're going to see your new view, and it's going to have a heart icon next to it. By clicking to highlight that heart, this is now your default view. For example, in your jobs schedule view, if we click the heart next to project managers, every time we navigate to the job schedule view, the parameters of the project manager's view are going to show up as a default. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.